Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Maki Hojo. Code JUL705. Released on September 14, 2021. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about stepmom and her stepson. After his mother passed away, his father remarried to a beautiful lady. So, on his graduation day, his stepmom surprised him. Apparently, his father cannot join them because he's too busy at his work. So, later that night, they went to a restaurant to celebrate. Afterwards, the girl had a couple of drinks. The girl got drunk, so instead of going home, they went to book a room. However, while they are at the room, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.